In this video, I will show you how to download Coinbase app on laptop. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to download the Coinbase app, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up an internet browser. Just a note that you do need Google Chrome to do this, so if you don't have the Google Chrome browser, you can use something like Microsoft Edge or Firefox to search and download the Google Chrome internet browser. Now, once you've got that and you've opened up a new Google Chrome browser, what you want to do is come up to the address bar at the top and type coinbase.com and then come across to the official Coinbase website. Now, to actually download this as an app on your laptop or PC, all you need to do once you've come across to coinbase.com is come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots, and on this menu that comes up, you want to come down to the cast, save and share option. Then you're going to see a sub menu come up and you're going to see an option to install Coinbase. So what you need to do is give that a click. What that's going to do is bring up a option like this where it says install app coinbase.com. What you can now do is click onto install, and as you can see, it's going to open up in a separate window as Coinbase. So if I actually minimize this and come back to my desktop, you're also going to see the app here on my desktop, and we can double click to open Coinbase. As you can see, it now opens up as its own individual app. What we can do from here is continue to sign into our account and use Coinbase as normal. So that is how to download Coinbase app on laptop. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.